5x square minus 19x plus 42. This is a cubic polynomial, so it has three factors. The first factor can be obtained by trial and error. So let us consider this as p of x. This is 2x cube minus 5x square minus 19x plus 42. To find out first 0, let us put x is equal to 1. 1 cube is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. Then 5 into 1 square minus 19 into 1 plus 42. So this is 2 minus 5 minus 19 plus 42. Definitely this is not equal to 0. So 1 is not 0 of the polynomial. Let us try putting x is equal to 2. That gives 2 into 2 cube is 8 minus 2 minus 5 into 2 square is 4 minus 19 into 2 plus 42. So 16 minus 20 minus 38 plus 42. And this is minus 4 minus 38 plus 42. This becomes minus 42 plus 42. So what we have, p of 2 is equal to 0. As p of 2 is equal to 0, what we have by factor theorem, x minus 2 is factor of px. Now let us find out remaining two factors by using long division. Let us divide this polynomial by the first obtained factor, and that factor is x minus 2. At 0 is 2, the factor formed is x minus 2. Now how to find out first term in quotient? Consider first term in the dividend divided by x. So this gives 2x square. Multiply by this quotient term to both the terms in divisor. This multiplication is 2x cube. This multiplication is 4x square. As this is positive and this is negative, answer is negative. We have to perform subtraction, so let us change the signs. This 2x cube minus 2x cube becomes 0. Ignore this sign. Signs are different, so we have to find out difference, and that difference is 1x square, but the bigger number is negative, so answer is negative. The next number is 19x. Next term is 19x. Same procedure to find out next term in quotient. Divide this minus x square by x. That gives minus x. Multiply by this minus x to both the terms in divisor. That is minus x square. This product is 2x. Both are negative, so product is positive. Change the signs to perform subtraction. This minus x square plus x square is 0. Ignore this sign, these signs are same. So we add these numbers and the answer will be negative as both the numbers were negative. Next term is 42. Same procedure to find out next term in quotient. Minus 21x divided by this x will give us minus 21. Minus 21 into x is minus 21x. 21 into 2 is 42. As both the numbers are negative, same sign, so product is positive. Change signs to perform subtraction. And 21x minus 21x plus 21x is 0. Similarly, this is also 0. Now we have two factors of this polynomial as x minus 2, that is our first factor, and 2x square minus ax minus 21. Now we have to factorize this. This is a quadratic, so it will give two factors. Consider this 2x square minus x minus 21. Now this c term is negative, so the two terms which we are looking for will have different signs because this term is negative. We are going to split this middle term such that product of these two terms will be equal to 2 into minus 21, and this product is negative, so numbers will have different signs. So difference of those two numbers is equal to middle term, and that is equal to 1. So find out two numbers such that their product is 42 and subtraction or difference is 1. Such numbers are 6 and 7. The bigger of this will get a sign of middle term. 7 is bigger, so it will get minus sign. So this is no change in our first factor, and now we are going to write this as 2x square minus 7x plus 6x minus 21. Now let us form the groups. We can take x common from these two. So in bracket we have 2x minus 7. Here we can take 3 common. So in bracket we have 2x minus 7. Now this 2x minus 7 is a same term, taking that common and forming the other factor. X minus 2, 2x minus 7 and x plus 3. These are the required factors. To find out whether this is a factor or not, we have to find out 0 of this divisor. Our divisor is, consider x minus 3 and let us find its 0. Let x minus 3 is equal to 0, so we get x value as 3. Now let us find out value of this px at x is equal to 3, that is called as p of 3. Our px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So p of 3 is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 4 is 36 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. This 27 minus 36 is minus 9 plus 9. So we get p of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, we can conclude that gx is factor of px. Factorize 7 root 2 x square minus 10x minus 4 root 2. Let us consider sign of constant term. This is constant term, that is negative. So the terms which we are looking for will have different signs because this C is negative. Now let us find out product of coefficient of x square and a constant term. Coefficient of x square is 7 root 2 into, this is minus 4 root 2. 7 into 4, actually 7 into minus 4 is minus 28, and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this product is minus 56. So let us find out two numbers such that their product is minus 56. As we have discussed, these numbers will have different signs and their difference will be 10. Such two numbers are 14 and 4. 14 fours are 56 and their difference is 10. Bigger number will get sign of middle term. Bigger of this is 14, so 14 is negative and 4 is positive. So we write this as 7 root 2 x square minus 14x plus 4x minus 4 root 2. Now let us form the groups. We have to take maximum terms common. Now here we can write this as 7 into root 2 into x, and this can be written as 7 into 2, but as we have here root 2, we are going to factorize this 2 as root 2 into root 2 plus 4x minus 4 root 2. Now let us find out the common term. Here we have 7 root 2, in second term also we have 7 root 2, and both of these terms have x. So by taking 7 root 2x common, here we left with x and here we left with root 2. X is already taken common. What can be taken common here? 4, and in bracket we get x minus root 2. At the end of this term, observe that these bracket terms must be exactly same, then only our solution is correct. Now taking that common, the same factor, we get second factor as 7 root 2x and this plus 4. Therefore, factors of this quadratic polynomial are x minus root 2 into 7 root 2x plus 4. Factorize 2x minus 5y cube, factorize 2x minus 5y cube minus 2x plus 5y cube. Now this is similar to a cube minus b cube, and the factors are a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So by using this identity, let us consider a is equal to 5x 2x minus 5y and b as 2x plus 5y. So 2x minus 5y cube minus 2x plus 5y cube is equal to a. A we are going to replace by 2x minus 5y minus b. This is our first bracket. Then in second bracket we have a square, that is 2x minus 5y square, plus a into b, that is 2x minus 5y into 2x plus 5y, plus b square, means 2x plus 5y whole square, which is equal to, let us open the bracket in first term, 2x minus 5y. This minus will change the signs of terms, so this is minus 2x, and this will also become minus. Now we can cancel this. Next simplification is, square of this term is by using identity a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square, so it is 4x square minus product of these two, that is 10xy into 2, it's 20xy, plus 5y whole square is 25y square. These two are in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square plus 2x whole square is 4x square minus 25y square, plus this is by using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the terms are exactly same, but the middle sign will be plus. Now let us simplify this. Same sign, sum of the terms, and common sign to answer, so this is minus 10y. This 20xy minus 20xy will become 0. Also 25y square and minus 25y square will become 0. So we left with 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x square, that is 12x square, and 25y square. So these are the required factors. So factorization of the given expression is these are cubic polynomials. So method to factorize these is same. Let us denote this given polynomial by px. Method, first step is find one of the zeros by trial and error. But if we put value of x positive, then these will add these terms, and that is definitely not equal to 0. So let us try for some negative numbers. Let x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, plus 13 into minus 1 square is plus 1, plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So this is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. This is 12, and this is minus 12, which is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, as the root is or 0 is negative, factor will be positive. X plus 1 is factor of Ex. Now to find out remaining factors, let us find out division of these polynomials. Divisor is our first factor and dividend is the given polynomial. To find out first term in quotient, x cube upon x gives x square. Multiply by this x square to both the terms in divisor. This is x cube plus x square. Change the signs. This will get cancelled. Ignore this sign, signs are different, so subtraction. No number is here, means there is 1. 13 minus 1 is 12. Bigger number is positive, so answer is positive. Divide this factor by the term in the divisor. That gives us 12x. Multiply by this 12x to both the terms in divisor. So 12x square plus 12x. X square minus 12x square is 0. Ignore this sign. 32 minus 12 is 20. X, bigger number, is positive, so answer is positive. Now 20x upon x, division is 20 and that is last term in quotient. 20x plus 20, subtraction, change the signs. 20x minus 20x is 0 and 20 minus 20 is also 0. So this polynomial is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. C term is positive and this term is also positive, so the numbers which will split this 12x both are positive and their product will be 20 because the coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 20 is 20 and sum is 12. Such two numbers are 10 and 2. Addition is 12, product is 20. Therefore, this is x plus 1 into x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Form the groups and find out a common factor. This is x plus 10. 2 divides 20 completely, so 2 can be taken common, and here we have x plus 10. This factor must be same, so take that factor common and form a third factor with the help of remaining terms. So these are the factors of given cubic polynomial. The next one is similar. Let us denote this by px. Let us find out p of 1. 2 into 1 cube is 1, minus 1 square is 1, minus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1. This is plus 2 minus 2 and plus 1 minus 1. So p of 1 is 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, 0 is 1, so the factor is x minus 1 is first factor of px. To find out other factors, let us perform long division. And the divisor is the first obtained factor. 2x cube upon x gives you 2x square. This multiplication is 2x cube. This product is 2x square, but as one term is positive, other is negative, answer is negative. Let us change the sign. This is no sign is here, means positive. Make it negative. This is negative, that will become positive. Two x cube minus 2x cube is 0. Ignore this sign. No number is here, means here we have 1. Signs are different. This is negative, this new sign is positive, so difference 2 minus 1 is 1, and bigger number is positive, so answer is positive. Then minus 2x. Divide this x square by x to get x as our next term in quotient. This product is x square, this is minus x. Let us change the signs. This becomes 0. Ignore this sign. Different signs, so difference, no number is here, that is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bigger number is 2, that is negative, so answer is negative. Minus 1x or minus x divided by x gives you minus 1 as our last term in quotient. Minus 1 into x is minus 1x, and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Change the signs, 0 and 0. Therefore, we have this cubic polynomial is equal to x minus 1 into 2x square plus x minus 1. C term is negative, so two terms which will split the middle term will have different signs, and their product will be 2, actually minus 2. Product is minus 2, and as signs are different, difference is 1. Such two numbers are 2 and 1. Bigger of this is 2, and that will get a sign of middle term. So we can factorize middle term as plus 2x minus 1x minus 1. We can take 2x common, that will give you x plus 1 inside the bracket. Now whenever our third term is negative, we have to take negative term common. There is no common factor, means we can take 1 as their common factor. Whenever we take a negative term common, you have to change this sign. If it is negative, make it positive, and vice versa. 1 is taken common, actually nothing is taken common. So we have here x plus 1. This must be same. Therefore, this cubic polynomial can be factorized as x minus 1, then this is x plus 1, and the factor form by remaining terms, it's 2x minus 1.